Welcome to our channel. Getting started with fuboTV is straightforward when you follow these activation steps. Step 1. Open a web browser and visit the official fuboTV website at fuboTV or download the fuboTV app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the Start Free Trial or Sign Up button displayed on the homepage. Step 3. Select your preferred subscription plan from the available options, considering channels and features that match your viewing preferences. Step 4. Create your fuboTV account by entering your email address and creating a secure password. Step 5. Provide your payment information, including credit card details or PayPal, to set up billing for after your trial period. Step 6. Review the subscription terms, including the trial length and monthly cost after the trial ends. Step 7. Confirm your subscription by clicking the Submit or Complete Sign Up button. Step 8. Check your email for a welcome message from fuboTV with your account confirmation and login details. Step 9. Download the fuboTV app on all your preferred devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, and mobile phones. Step 10. Log into fuboTV using your email and password on each device. Step 11. Explore the channel guide and start streaming live sports, news, and entertainment immediately. Your fuboTV subscription is now active, and you can watch on multiple devices simultaneously. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.